This is ANN News Brief.
South Africa has confirmed its second COVID-19 death and a soaring number of cases from 93 to 1,280 on Sunday, making it the largest so far on the continent. Some experts fear these cases may overwhelm the already stretched health system. The health ministry said the deceased 74-year-old man in the southeastern KwaZulu-Natal province had been diagnosed 2 days ago after showing flu-like symptoms. He had a pre-existing condition of skin cancer. South Africa is on the third day of a national lockdown. Officials have announced new measures that will help deal with the economic fallout. Treasury officials said on Sunday they were considering approaching the International Monetary Fund for emergency funds to fight the outbreak. Meanwhile, authorities in Ghana have started a 2-week lockdown on Monday of 3 cities, Accra, Tema, and Kumasi, that were identified as hotspots for the spread of coronavirus. The World Health Organization chief, Tedros Ghebreyesus, said on Saturday coronavirus has now spread to 47 countries in Africa, with 2,650 infected and 49 killed. WHO says it stands ready to support all countries in the fight against the virus. Director General Ghebreyesus said on Twitter, countries with weaker health systems must act aggressively to contain COVID-19 spread among early cases and prevent community transmission. We'll be right back.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit. Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
Sales of fresh fish in Kenya have risen as imports from China have dropped amid the coronavirus pandemic. Sellers in Dunga Beach on the shores of Lake Victoria have reported a 40% jump in trade in more than 2 weeks. Fishermen at the Lake Victoria region are now smiling because more visitors, many Kisumu residents, are buying fresh fish and bypassing the Chinese box fish because of the coronavirus. Well, there are worries that local fishermen won't be able to keep up with the new demands for fresh fish. But for now, at least, they are making the most of the surge in trade. Chinese fish used to make up about 50% of the market, but this has fallen since imports stopped in November and the virus outbreak later took hold. That is ANN News Brief at 4. Join us again at 5 for our full newscast. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Ademi.
This is ANN News.